Aframax tanker Indian master stabbed by Croatian officer. As it became known recently, Indian Captain of Aframax tanker STI GUARD was attacked, and stabbed, by a Croatian officer. Actually, his position and rank weren't disclosed, but other sources, maritime communities to be exact, rumored him to be a II officer. He's under arrest in Mauritius, first court hearings to be held on February 21. Reportedly, he was angered by master's criticism of his duty performance. It's a very delicate and complicated situation, demanding a thorough investigations and impartial judgment. On the face of it, young 23-year-old Croatian seafarer is solely to blame. He's obvious perpetrator. But many of those who's been working on board of ships and experienced long journeys under the command of master who, for whatever reason, took a beef on somebody among crew, know how unbearable life may become, if your superior is nagging you day and night. It's a ship, not a city office, and finding fault with whatever you do. So is young sailor the only one to be blamed? He's guilty, no doubt about it, but may there be any mitigating factors?